I'm going to have a look for the bird of the day. Oh, I found her.
Ah.
My legs are gone.
Oh my god, the speed of the water just felt like the bridge was going like that.
Oh, that was crazy.
I think I can have a wild wee here.
Good morning from cloudy Olden.
Good morning.
So, we've had a sleep, haven't we? We've been up since 4 AM, having a look when we came into the fjords, and that was amazing. So, I'm sorry, but here's a montage. Well, I hope you all enjoyed that. It was pretty spectacular coming in this morning. It was pretty dark though at first. When it lightened up a bit, it was a bit better.
Had a fantastic rainbow, didn't we?
Yeah, fantastic rainbow. It's yeah. So Olden, very small, not really much to see apart from the scenery. So what's on the agenda today?
Where is it we're walking now? The Waterfalls.
Yeah. So on all trails we found a walk, 6K.
I probably pronounced that really badly.
Oh no, I'll put it up on the screen.
Loki Flossie.
So this comes down from the centre of Olden, along a river to some waterfalls, and it's a circular. It's about 6 kilometres in length, the whole walk. And the thing is, we're in a bit of a time squeeze, aren't we?
Yeah, we've got plenty of time to get back.
So we've booked a excursion to go down to Briksdal Glacier later. Come along for the journey. Let's have a look at bird of the day.
What was that?
I'm going to have a look for the bird of the day. Oh, I found her.
Ah.
What did you do then?
Didn't do nothing, did I? Go on then, Sado. What's your bird of the day? Have you found one yet?
No, not yet. It's a common ringed plover.
That the one you got to find?
Yeah. Well, I'm scared. I am really scared. This is scary, and I mean scary. The water's running pretty quick, and I'm no good at heights, even though it's only a little bit.
Oh my god.
I'm a good swimmer, but oh no, that water's going to be freezing.
Oh my word.
Oh, made it.
No. Oh, it's like the whole thing's going.
Oh, my legs are gone.
Oh my god, the speed of the water just felt like the bridge was going like that.
Oh, that was crazy.
Oh, that was an experience. Yeah, I thought it would have been clearer
no, I
than
don't
this.
think this path's been used very much.
Didn't you?
It's very overgrown, very uneven, not great. Unless you're a decent walker, then I would say, yeah, Jules isn't. So after yesterday's excursions, probably said that wrong as well. Jules had a bit of a problem with her back last night. Had to take some painkillers. We thought this morning we won't be getting off the ship at all, because she was really struggling last night. She was hobbling around the ship with a walking stick. But I think the anti-inflammatories that she's took have helped tremendously. So she's come out, but I'm going to keep an eye on her today, make sure that she's okay. As soon as she starts getting the twinge, that's it, we're cutting it short and getting back to the ship. Like, she wants to keep walking, to keep pushing herself to be able to cover these distances, but if it's ground like it was back there, that's when, you know, she starts to struggle. But give her a due, she's a fighter, she keeps going, she doesn't know when to quit, that's for sure.
Where can we cross back over?
That's what I'm looking for. There's a bridge there, it looks like it goes into a field. We've got that bridge there, which then takes us down.
I'd say let's go back over that bridge.
Right, go on then, turn around.
Because this is really bad, isn't it?
That's a shame, because I was enjoying that, but way too boggy.
Ugh.
Be careful, I'm not in front of you now to hold you.
You alright?
Yeah. Head.
Huh?
Head.
Eh?
Eh?
Oh. Yeah. This is dangerous. Isn't it?
Dangerous. No, it's just a normal hike.
Ugh.
You're not used to it.
Yeah, true. Think I can have a wild way here.
Hey?
Think I can have a wild way here. I'm
I
about to
reckon
wet
you
myself.
could, yeah.
Yeah, I'm about to wet myself. I'll let you go across first.
Like, I wouldn't mind, they turned around and said that people run along here. Oh, it said that. People run along here.
How?
I don't know. Because my feet are drenched.
What, inside?
Yeah.
I thought your boots were waterproof.
Ah, so did I.
Oh well.
They must be damaged. They must be.
No, well, these are supposed to be waterproof. They said they were waterproof. My feet are soaked.
Not good, yeah? That was horrendous. It sounded so good. Oh yeah. Nice little stroll down the river. Isn't it?
Yeah. The condos.
Just look how wet we are.
Soaking. Like that, man. Wow. Pretty impressive, isn't it?
I think it was worth the walk.
Yeah.
I'm thinking I'll go there.
Hey?
Go there, launch the drone.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed our failure at hiking, because that was a joke.
That was treacherous.
My pants were wet up to my knees, my feet are still squelching. But when we got back on the road and got to the waterfall, wow, how beautiful. So
It was worth it.
it was worth it.
But we probably should have just done the walk by road.
But yeah, you are right, we should have just done that by road, shouldn't we?
But at the same time though, it's nice scenery down there.
It was nice
It was
scenery.
off the beaten path on it.
It was, like, since we got back on the road, it's just been tourists everywhere.
Yeah, where
How-
we were completely on our own.
Like, how dare they interrupt our time? Tourists. Oh my word. Just have a look at these views here. These are amazing. Don't you agree, dealer?
Always. That's a sign of a happy marriage. Always agree with the husband.
Now she's just being funny. So we'll leave you there until we get to the cafe, see what time it is, have a cup of coffee before we have to catch the coach up to Briksdal. So just stopped at, it's called Stambuk, which I think say rip off to Starbucks. But it was a really nice latte. So we got 2 lattes, didn't we?
Lovely.
Got a cake, a pastry should I say, which we shared, keeping on the health business.
I had a third, you had 2/3?
Yes. And came to just £10, which is fantastic
A lot
value.
cheaper than yesterday in
A lot
Stavanger.
cheaper yesterday. So we've just been having a look. We walked back down the road, didn't we? We got back at 10:30, and if we'd walked up the road to start off with, we would have been there and spent a lot more time up there than trying.
Yeah, if
to
you want an easy walk, just stay on the road.
stay on the road.
If you want a treacherous but rather fun walk, go
Yeah.
over the bridge.
go over the bridge and along the river. Oh yeah, I wouldn't recommend that. I wouldn't,
I
unless
thought
you're
I was going to die at
experienced.
one point.
And according to all trails, people actually run.
No, you can't run.
You can't run.
No way can you
No
run
way.
on that.
No way. Also, on the way back, someone said to us, have we been to the glacier? Now, we're getting the coach up there, but we've just had a look on Google Maps, haven't we?
Yeah.
22 kilometres. Now, there is tour buses going from Olden. I'm assuming they go up to...
I would imagine they would, yeah.
Yeah, so we'll check that and we'll just put it on the screen at some point around here.
Because it might be cheaper to actually
It may
book it
be
when you get here.
Yeah, because we actually went with the ship with P&O Cruises with the tour excursion, and that was £80 each. Now, just be warned though, if something happens to you and you're not on a tour, and something happens to that vehicle, or you can't get back and the cruise ship leaves,
Yeah.
it won't wait for you because
Yeah.
it's not an
Part of
endorsed.
the excursion with the ship.
Yeah. Right, just started to climb up to Briksdal Glacier. How you going, Dooley?
I'm knackered.
Now, the guys just told us it's a 45-minute hike up to the top. So, let's see how we get on. Ah, that's a sight. Totally covered up.
Yeah.
Wow.
Some force in that water.
Oh, and it's cooling.
Very.
You knackered yet?
Yeah. I was knackered at the bottom. It's up there.
We're doing history Julie style. What's your question?
Where does all the water come from?
Glaciers.
Yeah, but the glacier's been there for what?
Millions of years.
Millions of years. Well, if it's melting, how's it still up there?
Because there's that much of it.
Wow.
You sure?
I think so.
And then when winter comes, what happens?
Oh yeah, more ice. Bones.
Bing! Light bulb moment. Right, we made it. How was that? Right, so according we climbed 200 metres. The first 120 was on the first incline, then it flattened out a bit. The second one was about 30-40 metre incline. Then after that it sort of just was a gradual incline up to the top.
Worth it though, look at that.
And we missed a load of views all on the way up, but I'm going to turn this round and I'm going to show you this, because this is spectacular.
Steve's setting up the drone, I just thought I'd point something out to any of you that fancy coming to the glacier. It is quite a strenuous hike up to it. It's about 2.2 kilometres coming up and then obviously back down. Takes about an hour and a half there and back, but if obviously anybody who struggles to walk too much, you can actually get one of the buggies that brings you up here. We saw quite a few of them whiz past. We also saw a lot of fitter people whiz past, but we didn't do too bad on time. I also want to say thanks for everyone who has liked and subscribed so far, really appreciated. Anybody else that likes our channel and hasn't subscribed, please do. It helps us create more videos. Apologies for anything where we're not too good. We're still getting used to it, so please bear with us. And thanks for watching, and I'll have Steve return to you shortly with the drone footage.
Nah, as soon as I got up, 20 metres, strong wind, started blowing it all over the place.
Oh,
then
really?
And then on top of that, satellite signal, 9 satellites started losing traction and everything. I was like, oh no, it started flying all over the place. And in the end I just went, no, you're coming back.
At least you didn't lose it.
No, but I managed to get some aerial footage. Not
good.
Not fantastic, but I got some.
Stop filming me limping away.
Right guys, that's Olden done and dusted. We're just making our way back down, get the coach, head back on to the ship, and that's today's adventures done.
Let's go and have a drink.
We definitely deserve one today. So, what do you think of Olden?
Amazing.
Yeah,
Absolutely lovely.
absolutely lovely. I would do this every day of the week if I could, because the views here, and Norway is just as good across the whole of Norway, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, listen, thanks for watching. Can you please click the subscribe, the like, and hit the notification bell? It'd be muchly appreciated because it helps our small channel grow, which is what we're trying to do. Just so everyone can come along for the vlog.
And we'll leave you with this view.
And we'll leave you with this view of us getting saturated wet walking through all that. Getting drenched. Oh my god. You know what? That is brilliant spray. Look at this one. You'd think we're in winter. Anyway, take care and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.